Hi, hello everyone. How are you all? In today's video, I am going to share you a very valuable information. So please don't skip the video. Watch it till end. Then you will thank me for sure. Because I am saving you lot of money. Mainly this video will helpful to creators, and this video not only helpful to the creators but also it helpful to so many peoples who are doing videos in Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or who are doing business in social media platforms. For everyone it will become very useful, and it's very free of cost. That is how I am creating thumbnails for my videos. Now I am doing videos in social media, that's why I am using ChatGPT for creating thumbnails. If you are doing any business, then you can use ChatGPT to create banners for your business, or something else like pamphlets, invitations for marriage, housewarming, for anything you can use ChatGPT. I will explain each and every step how to use ChatGPT to create thumbnails, banners, for everything I will explain. So before I started how I am doing this process, I would like to say one thing. Recently, means from past 2 to 3 months onwards, I am creating thumbnails using ChatGPT app. Before I created thumbnails, I heard so many things like if you want to create thumbnails using ChatGPT, you have to give long prompts. Then only ChatGPT create thumbnails correctly. But trust me, that is very wrong, because I just give one or two messages in my convenient language like Telugu. But also ChatGPT created each and every thumbnail very well. You can see all these thumbnails I created using ChatGPT only, and you can create thumbnail using Gemini also. But when compared to Gemini AI, ChatGPT is the best one for YouTube thumbnails. Not only YouTube thumbnails, I created our housewarming invitation also with help of ChatGPT only. Before I start this topic, I would like to share one more thing. Like I started my YouTube channel in 2020. From first day onwards till before 2 months, I created my own thumbnails like with Pixel Lab. Then my old thumbnails are like this only. But once I came to know ChatGPT also create thumbnails. But when I see so many videos, everybody said whenever you want to create thumbnails, you have to give prompt. So I feel like oh no, I can't give prompt because I don't know how to give prompt. That's why I stopped creating thumbnails. But one day very suddenly I just wanted to test the chat gpt, like, hi chat gpt, I need thumbnail. Then chat gpt said you can ask, yes, I will give you I will create thumbnail. Then I said I sent 2 or 3 photos of mine, and I asked ఈరోజు నా డే ఎలా గడిచింది. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ thumbnail with 16:9 ratio for YouTube. Then ChatGPT created very beautiful thumbnails. From first day, I was really very surprised. Then I started creating thumbnails every day. Sometimes I create 3 thumbnails for one video also. So from past 3 months onwards, I never create my own thumbnails in Pixel Lab. I always use ChatGPT to create thumbnails. It's very simple and no need to give long prompts. It's very easy, very convenient. You can give prompt in Telugu or English also, Hindi also, another language you can give. Any language you can ask in ChatGPT. My convenient language is Telugu and English. That's why I always use it to ask in Telugu and English only. So now I will explain each and every step how I creating thumbnails. The same way you can use it for banner creation, invitations, for everything you can create. If you don't know the ratios of invitations or banners, that also ChatGPT will suggest. Before directly you are creating thumbnails, you can ask something ChatGPT like, hi ChatGPT, today I want to create invitation for our housewarming, or for marriage, like that you can ask, then ChatGPT will guide you like that. So now let me tell you how I am doing this process. And sometimes I use it to create thumbnails by paid, like I sent 1,000 rupees to thumbnail designers. They created thumbnails, 100 rupees for each thumbnail or 150 rupees for each thumbnail. But after I started creating thumbnails, I shared in my Telugu YouTube channel. Then so many people started creating thumbnails with ChatGPT. Now you can see in YouTube everyone creating own thumbnails using ChatGPT. So don't waste your money for paid thumbnails. You can create your self thumbnails, that is also very professional thumbnails, by using ChatGPT. So let me show you how I am creating. To create thumbnail using ChatGPT, you have to download ChatGPT from Play Store. Here you can see the ChatGPT app. Click on ChatGPT and give your photo. You can give up to 5 photos. Now I am going to select my photo. I always used to give 2 or 3 photos only, because if you give more than 3 or 5 photos, then your thumbnail will become very clumsy. That's why I always used to give 1 or 2 photos only. Now I just wanted to give 1 photo only. So here I am seeing which photo is beautiful. Yes, this one. After given your photo, now you have to enter text. Hi ChatGPT, please create a thumbnail with 16 is to 9 ratio. You have to mention definitely ratio of your thumbnail. 16 is to 9 ratio thumbnail is for YouTube thumbnail, and 9 is to 16 thumbnail is for Instagram and YouTube shorts thumbnail. Here I want 16 is to 9 thumbnail for long video, and you have to give thumbnail text. How I am create my thumbnails using ChatGPT. This is my text of thumbnail, and you have to mention don't change my face features, because sometimes ChatGPT change your face features. That's why I always used to mention that don't change face features. Now send it to the ChatGPT, and once you send the message, then you see like this creating image. It takes up to 5 minutes. You can wait, or you can minimize this app and you can do another work. Once the thumbnail is ready, then ChatGPT will send you notification. Once the thumbnail is ready, it shows like this. See, ChatGPT created my thumbnail. Whatever the text I gave, it added on my thumbnail. It's very nice, right? That's it. This is how I always create my thumbnail. Here you can see download symbol. Click on the download symbol. Once you click on the download symbol, you can see image saved. This image will shown in your gallery. That's it. This much easily you can create your thumbnails. I hope this information will help you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.